Welcome to this technical guide on the Asus F515J. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Asus F515J just won't turn on, it can be quite frustrating. This issue often arises due to a faulty power connector or battery failure, and if left unaddressed, it could lead to further complications, potentially costing you more down the line. Let's get started with the tools you'll need for this repair. You will require a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, a replacement battery if necessary, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any damage to the internal components. First, ensure your device is powered off completely and unplugged. Use the plastic opening tool to gently pry open the back panel. Take your time here to avoid damaging the casing. Once the back is off, locate the battery. It's usually held in place by a few screws. Carefully remove these screws with your Phillips screwdriver. Make sure to keep them in a safe place as you'll need them later. Once the screws are out, gently lift the battery out of its compartment. Now, inspect the power connector as well. If it looks damaged or loose, that might be the cause of your issue. If you have a replacement battery, place it into the compartment, ensuring it fits snugly. Reconnect the power connector, making sure it is secure. When reassembling, be cautious not to apply too much pressure on nearby components to avoid causing any damage. Replace the screws you removed earlier to secure the battery in place. Before closing the back panel, double-check all connections and ensure everything is in its proper place. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, carefully align the back panel and press it down until you hear it click into place. To avoid this issue in the future, ensure you regularly check the battery health and avoid exposing your device to extreme temperatures. Also, try to avoid using third-party chargers that may not be compatible with your Asus F515J. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.